Hi you guys, welcome back to Kia's Crafty Corner. I hope that you all are just as excited as I am for this video. This is my first heat transfer tee. It's for my niece's 3rd birthday tomorrow, so without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, we're starting here with duplicating the t-shirt template. You'll need to do this for however many colors you have. I have 2, so I'll do it twice. Then we will begin contouring. With contouring, you'll just be separating the parts by color. So as you can see here, I will be deselecting all of the parts that I want to be gold and leaving the parts I would like to be pink. And I'll do vice versa for the second template. Alrighty, now that we've been able to separate our template by color, we're going to put the two together and align them so that we can make them the correct size. So for a 3T t-shirt, I will go ahead and make about a 6-inch heat transfer decal. Alright, on to the fun part. Starting out, I do want to recommend that you iron out your shirt even if you're starting with a new shirt, because any wrinkles in your shirt are not your friend. As you can see, I had a little trouble lining up my decal on my shirt. I know that some people say you should fold the shirt in half and iron it. Maybe I should have tried that method, but I used the crown on my decal to my advantage. I lined it up in the middle and then just dragged it down into place. You usually want to try to do about 2 finger spaces for a 3T kid shirt from the top. As you can see here, I'm moving the iron in different positions. This is where the difference between the heat press and the iron comes into play. If you have a heat press, then you have that even distribution of heat all the way across. With an iron, the heat is not evenly distributed at all. So here you see me changing positions to try to make sure that I'm getting the middle of the iron on every part of the decal, and I'm leaving it on all of these parts for 30 seconds. Now that we are done ironing the front of the shirt, we're going to flip it over onto the back and apply heat to the back as well. I'm only going to do 30 seconds in 2 positions on the back because you don't need as much heat on the back of the shirt. Yay, it's peeling time. Our hard work has paid off. Alright, and since we have multiple colors for this t-shirt, we're going to have multiple layers that we have to iron on. I did not do this, but I'm going to make the mistakes for you guys. I recommend that after you add your second decal, like me, I have the pink decal, I would recommend putting that first protective clear layer back over your work so that you don't have any exposed plain decal, because what happened here is I ended up ironing over some of my pre-existing decal and it made it look a little warped in some areas, and we don't want that at all. So what I did on my shirts after this one is I put that clear protective layer back on, and it is enough heat to go through both of those layers, so you don't have to worry. It doesn't make you do any more work, but it does protect the existing decal. After this, we're just repeating the previous steps. OMG, how cute is that little crown 3 on the back of her shirt? Oh my gosh. Alright, so for the decal on the back of the shirt, we're just going to want to flip the shirt inside out to hit the back of that decal. And now we're all done. We're just going to be peeling the transfer tape off of that crown, and we have a finished heat transfer tee. I know my niece is going to love her t-shirt. I'm so happy that I was able to share this experience with you guys. I just ask that you like, and if you have any questions, comment them to me. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Get that